Okay, we have a Haas 4-axis vertical machining center model VF3SS, serial number 110734. This machine was new in 2012 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a Haas control. It has a remote jog handle pendant as well. Right now we're running 2,000 RPM. It goes up to 12,000 RPM. It has a Cat 40 spindle. No, it's a Cat or BT? Cat 40 spindle with a 30 ATC automatic tool changer. That's 6,000 RPM. We're going up. That's 10,000 RPM, nice and quiet. So this machine has programmable coolant, and it also has coolant through spindle. We're simulating tool changes, as you can see. Great. Running the axes around, that's the X. The machine has a 48 by 18 inch table with 40 inches of X travel, 20 inches of Y, and 25 of Z. Machine also does have a chip auger. That's your Y axis and your Z. You also have telescopic weight covers for all the axes. So the machine is equipped to receive a 4th axis, it's wired for it, and has the drive. That's the programmable coolant nozzle moving. Great. All right, thank you for watching our video.